description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something that was sent to me by the Fat Hipster. Thanks, man. Look him up on YouTube. This is Trailtopia Adventure Food Curry Ramen. And what was crazy about this one to start with, the expiration date wasn't until 2029. He sent me this last year in 2024, so this is like survival food, like for your bunker, your country bunker. Add 1.5 cups of water, stir, seal it for 10 minutes. So this is going to be a long episode. Stir it again and enjoy. And this is the contents of the thing. And we got 1.5 cups of water. Dumping it right in here. Curry flavor should be interesting. I'm hoping this Tupperware doesn't just like break down and die. But yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to talk for 10 minutes while this cooks about not politics. Let's see if I can do it. I think I can. I mean, I just used the term politics, but that's about as far as it's going to go. So, it's summer. It's, what? July 3rd. It's the 3rd of July, 2025. There was a fireworks place in Sacramento that went up. Like, they made the, it's like, so you want to have a fireworks display for your city? This was like a place that would, you know, make the mortars and shells and all that stuff, and then they would bring it to your place, set it all up, and then at a certain time they would play patriotic music and go ba-doo, ba-doo, poo, poo, poo. Well, the whole place caught on fire, and it's crazy. It's like there's like people's doorbell cams, and you see like a shot in the distance, and it looks like a mushroom cloud. It's like a nuke went off. Crazy. Gosh, what else? Tomorrow is the 4th of July. We're going to walk down and go watch the festivities. It's crazy. It'd be nice to get a really good vantage point to see it, but it's quite literally impossible. The reason being, so many people come to the fireworks show here. And unless we got down there like at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., we wouldn't get a spot. And if we did get a spot, we would end up with people in front of us. It's just like not worth it. Yeah, it's a real pain in the butt. It's just too many people. Why do they keep making them? I mean, we've got some. We made a couple. They're high quality. But there's just so many that just like, they're walking around and they go boom, 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 boom. They'll like stand in the middle of a walkway and decide to start a conversation. It's like, get the out of my way, you know? But yeah, speaking of the two humans we've created, what's been going on? We've got a little splash park downtown, and I've taken them a couple times, and my wife and I went down there with them, and it's been good. We took them out to Log Boom Park, which is where the fireworks will be. Did that on Monday. Tuesday, we did something. I don't remember. Was that when we went to we went to the splash park again? Yesterday we ended up going to the little playground down the hill for them to get their yayas out. And today my son developed a big blister on his foot. She's like, "Can we have a day off of walking?" I'm like, Okay. So here I am doing my reviews. This is going to be review number 5401. And what's funny about that is that we got a jar of Flintstones vitamins that somebody had like used 2 of them. They're like, my kids won't eat these things, so they put them on buy nothing, and we're like, okay, don't expire until next year. My kids take them, but their address was 5401 something street, and so I got this one, got another one. There's going to be one that I'm doing that's going to be totally out of order. It's probably going to screw things up for people that are watching and be really confused. You're going to see an older episode of this show, older than this. Not next, but maybe after that or after that. We're getting close to Halloween, so I'm going to do a special episode for that. But the one that I'm going to be doing, that'll be coming out probably on Saturday, because I think it'd be stupid to release this on Friday, is this. I don't know if you heard about this, but yeah, it's dill pickle cup noodles. It smells kind of dill pickly. I hope it's good. I don't have anything special to put on it, but I'll give it a good go and I'll try it out and try that. But we're halfway done with getting this ready. Very curious how this is going to turn out, honestly. I don't know. It smells like curry, but I think these are kind of less... Let's see. Yeah, 240 milligrams of sodium. Yeah. So this is going to be probably on the more bland side. So, I don't know. I just don't know. But it said there were green and red bell peppers in it, and so that kind of gives me hope. I like food that's savory based on vegetable savory. Vegetable. What else is going on today? Oh, they're doing something. I really don't know what, but they turned off the water. So I'm using bottled water today to do these up, which I can live with. I don't know. The only thing that's kind of a pain in the ass when they turn off the water, though, is the bathroom. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It was supposed to turn off at 9, and it looks like they turned it off more like 10:30, I think. I don't know. And, I said in the last episode I'd talk about the projector. So we set up the projector. All I've got is these green screens that I use for my top 10 list when I do those videos. Well, I got a white projector screen. It was cheap. All it is a like really white piece of fabric. So I'm hoping that I can just put it on the frame that my green screen was on and then just stretch it, and then that'll work. Now I also got this cable that's HDMI to composite, which is like those little RCA cables, the red, white, and yellow. And that projector has that kind of input, and the idea is that I'll be able to plug that through there, and then I can plug in, I've got like a Nintendo Mini. Ugh. My nose is driving me nuts, I'm sorry. But I've got like a Nintendo Mini, and I can plug that into that, and then we could have like a wall of like ultra huge Mario, is the idea. Thing is, though, I'm pretty sure the projector screen is widescreen, and of course Mario is not, so it won't be as big as it could be, but I think it'll still be fun. Went to Walmart yesterday. That's where I found the dill pickle ones. I've been wanting to find those. And yeah, so I'm actually doing 4 of them today. That's a lot. It's not usual. Not the normal. But these first 2 are like taking a long time. The first one took 5 minutes in the microwave. This one taking 10 minutes. But the last 2 should be pretty quick is my thought. So I wish I had a pickle, like a bowl that was like, I do have a green bowl. I'm just trying to like, usually when I get these weird new cup noodle varieties that I review, usually I'll go ahead and do something like real fancy and do a whole bunch of stuff, but it's like, they don't even talk to me now. It's like, what did I do? They like these TikTokers, I guess. And I don't know why. I've got another company that I'm working with. They were like, yeah, we invested all this money into like getting all this stuff from a TikTok influencer, and we got nothing out of it. It's like, well, yeah, because there's stupid talking heads, and the thing about TikTok is flip, 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 flip. You know, so I keep rolling in my brain, yeah, I should get on TikTok. I should do some tickety-tockety junk, but I just don't. It's not the platform for me. I apologize. I wish there was a way that I could just dump all my material onto TikTok and go, here you go, TikTok people. I don't think they're really wanting to sit and watch something that's landscape style and not 5 seconds long. But, you know, maybe they are. You never know. I guess I could put all the intros on TikTok. Oh my. Here we are. We have completed the cooking cycle of this stuff. It certainly is a temperature I could call hot. And this is what we end up with. By the way, these are $8 on Amazon. So this is supposed to be curry ramen. Granted, this is supposed to be for camping as well. Try the noodle. It's hydrated. And the broth. So the only thing I can say that I dislike about this is the fact that it's really lacking salt. It does not have saltiness. Salt has a way of bringing out flavor. There. That is Lowry's garlic salt. I don't have any table salt right next to me. I apologize. Let's see what that does. Without it, it's like not so great. I mean, it brings it out a little bit, but it's still very bland. Using salt with it kind of seems like it doesn't blend well. I don't know how to put it other than that. It's salty now. But, yeah. If it had been salty to begin with, that might have worked better, but I'm not going to say that that really thrilled me. Wait a second. And there's this that was stuck at the bottom. Oh. Let's see if that makes a difference. If all of a sudden it becomes like way salty, then I'll know that the garlic salt was definitely the wrong way to go and this stuff was salty enough to begin with. I can attribute it to that. But I have a feeling that's not going to be the case. It may be the case. It's more curry. The curry of this reminds me of like curry powder. And that's kind of, I have to admit, it's kind of cringy. This seems like somebody made curry powder soup thing. It just doesn't smack of anything that works for me. I will say this. If I had just gone and done a whole bunch of mountain climbing, this would probably fill my gut a little bit. But I'm not really thrilled. It's alright. It's okay. I'm not thrilled. But let's let Rotato do its stuff. And, yeah, Rotato. Well, thank you very much to my buddy the Fat Hipster for sending this along. There's a lot of different varieties. I think there's a rice one too. I don't know, but you should check this out if you're into camping. Maybe this will fit your needs. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Oh, but wait, there's more. The next episode will be something you might find fascinating. This is Nongshim, Farmer's Heart. That's what Nongshim means. And this is Nongshim Premium Udon in a box. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. Wait. Now bye-bye.